So in this one, I'll be showing you how to generate a random string in Python. So to do that, we'll need the random module and the string module. Then at the top also, I'm declaring a variable here called length. Now length will be the length of the string that you want to generate. If you want to generate a string of, let's say, 8 or 3 letters, you will be able to do that using the random and the runInt function over here. So next is the function. Mine is name generate random string. Then I've passed in the length here as a parameter. Then inside the function we have a variable called letters. Now letters, we're using here the string module, then we're generating the lowercase letters. Now if you wanted uppercase letters, you could have done something like ASCII uppercase, or ASCII letters to generate both uppercase and lowercase, but let's just keep it at ASCII lowercase for this case. Now the next thing is now to join the letters using the join function. Again, for that we will need a variable over here, so I'll call it string result. Then is equal to join. Then we want to use the random module once more, so it's random dot choice. Then we are passing in the letters. Remember we generated the lowercase letters over here, so let's pass it in, so letters. Then now all we need to do is to just iterate over the letters. So for, let's just call it letters, the counter variable. For letter in range, then now the range is the length. Now that will be determined by the random number that will be generated between 1 to 8. Then let's get rid of this extra bracket. Now we'll also have a print statement so that you can see whatever has been generated. So print the random string is, then that's it. Let's just call our function to see the output. So generate random string. Then remember we had a parameter, so let's pass in the value. So length is equal to, we just give it the length that was generated at the top, so length is equal to length. So let's run the code, and the random string is that one. So thanks for watching, see you in the next one.